The timeline block lets you organize content along a vertical timeline. You can display dates on the left and then titles, some information like a description, as well as a button to click for more information. To add a timeline block, click the block inserter at the top left and choose Timeline. Once you have a block on your page, you can add the date over here on the left. And then over on the right, add your title, as well as a description or further information. And optionally, you can also add a button. So let's have a look at what that looks like on the front end. We'll publish it and view the page. So as you can see, we have one item in our timeline, but in all likelihood, as it's a timeline, you'll probably want to add more. So to add more, you're going to select the entire timeline block. So right now I've only got one item selected. To select the entire block, I want to click this icon here, and you'll notice that now it's outlined in this blue color. Click the plus sign at the bottom right, and now you can add a second item below. Christmas Day. And again, you can add your information here. As well as the optional button. And once you've got that saved, have a look and you'll now see what it looks like with two items. So that is a quick rundown of the timeline block.